This is the lecture for Human Being Among the Beasts by Andrew Bailey and Alexander Pruss. The only topic to talk about here is the same one as the previous lecture, Constitution views. And you'll notice that they have an argument against Constitution views in this article. It's a short argument, but that's fine. So that's just to flag this because we haven't read any Constitution views. So if you don't have in mind the fact that they exist, it may not be obvious to you why they argue against Constitution, but they do. So there's that. And it's not as if they're only arguing against Constitution views. This article is arguing in favor of animalism, and so it's against all the other possible views. But this is just to highlight, because we have not read any Constitution views, the fact that they will talk about those at some point. Maybe we can. Uh, yeah, so they talk about it on page 7. So beware.